New kitchen is going to be all through here. And then extra space over here for the fridge. Stackable will live right there. Dishwasher, stove, everything will be in place for this. I'm here at a client's flip property. He purchased this a couple of months ago, in full swing with the renovations right now. 2-bedroom, 1 bath, nice renovation on this one. New drywall throughout, new flooring throughout, pot lights in all the rooms, new kitchen, new bathroom, new front porch, new back porch, new paving, new landscaping. Everything is going to be done on this. It'll be a nice property when it's done. And let me turn the camera around, I'll walk you through. All right, this is in the front entrance. Bedroom number 1 here. You can see down the length of the house right here. See that line right there for drywall? There used to be a dividing wall right there. And there also used to be a dividing wall here with an archway you can see in the floor where that wall used to come across, a small archway. This has been opened right up with a nice beam supporting that. You can see all the pot lights here, all roughed in, ready to go, which will provide some really nice lighting in here. Bathroom, again, prepping for tile. New bath tub in place, new vanity, new toilet, new everything in this room, which will be really nice. Bedroom number 2, again, all new drywall throughout. New closet space. This, the bottom of that closet was raised up to provide some extra headroom coming down into the basement here. Okay. New kitchen is going to be all through here. And then extra space over here for the fridge. Stackable will live right there. Dishwasher, stove, everything will be in place for this. All right, I'll show you the backyard here really quick. New deck, new railing. There's going to be some landscaping done back here. This pad is where the garage used to be. It just wasn't savable, so that's torn down. Going to be new sod through here. This will all be new pavement here. Okay, back into the house. Okay, same thing on the front porch. It's a little bit run down. It's all brand new now. So we'll give you some more updates on this one as we progress, but for now, it's coming along really well. Thanks for watching. After years of training, consulting, and strategizing with investors, one thing becomes very, very clear, and that is there's a one-to-one correlation between clarity and focus and results. For investors who have clarity and focus, their results are not only faster, but they're better. And for those who don't have clarity and focus, they struggle. They struggle to produce results. They struggle to make steps toward what they're trying to achieve because what they're trying to achieve isn't crystal clear for them. If you don't have that clarity and focus today, reach out. We can help. We have the tools and the systems to be able to flesh out those goals, flesh out that clarity of market and strategy and the approach to get you from point A to point B faster in the most expedited path possible. And where we don't have the tools, we have developed strategic partnerships with people that we're happy to introduce you to help gain clarity and focus. That is the #1 linchpin that we see with investors. And thank you for watching. Some people have reached out in appreciation of the content and asked how they can support. There's a very simple mechanism to be able to do that. If you would like, share this video, subscribe to the YouTube channel. These are all things that help us propagate our content, help get our content out to more investors, and we would be hugely appreciative of that. Thanks again for watching.